Ever wonder how a civilization as mighty as ancient Rome crumbled? It wasn't a single event, but a slow decline spanning centuries, a fascinating story of ambition, corruption, and ultimately, collapse. Today, we'll explore 3 key reasons why the Roman Empire fell apart. First, political instability reigned. Constant power struggles, assassinations, and civil wars weakened the empire from within. Think of the year of the 4 emperors in 69 AD, a chaotic period showcasing the fragility of Roman leadership. This internal conflict diverted resources and attention from crucial external threats. Secondly, economic woes plagued Rome. Overexpansion led to unsustainable spending, crippling taxes, and inflation. Roman currency was debased, meaning less silver was used in coins, leading to price hikes and economic hardship for ordinary citizens. Trade routes were disrupted by barbarian raids, further damaging the economy. Finally, external pressures intensified. Germanic tribes, like the Visigoths and Vandals, relentlessly attacked Roman borders. In 410 AD, the Visigoths famously sacked Rome itself, a symbolic blow to Roman power. The empire simply couldn't defend its vast borders effectively. So, Rome's fall wasn't about one thing, but a combination of political turmoil, economic decline, and relentless external threats. It's a powerful reminder that even the greatest empires can crumble. Did you find this video informative? Like and subscribe for more history deep dives. Let us know in the comments what historical topic you'd like us to cover next.